Hello, my name is Eugen and I'm going to talk about the StemCell game engine test case, the Oil Platform project. The first part dealt with general information about the project and shown us how to construct the basic scene. This part will be showing the two scenes part of the project and talk in more detail about the types of actors part of the scenes. Briefly, the two scenes are an outside environment scene and inside environment one. The outside scene is showing us real-time soft shadows, screen control and player interactions. The inside one is allowing us to interact with the valves and into a fully 3D sound environment. So let's start by loading the outside environment. I double-clicked the name of the scene in the scene area. Now we have the scene loaded. I will close these two windows, actually all of them. We can see here, I'm going a little bit further from the scene. We can see here all the elements part of the scene. I will show all the avatars and the influence of the avatars. Now we can see what types of objects do we have. If we get closer, we can see also the name of the objects and we can select them and execute certain actions on each of them. I will use the new enhancement to the Cell Builder application, the Run in Editor option, which allows us to play the game while we are in the editor mode. Now I'm in the editor mode. I can start playing the game. I'll give it a little bit of time for the scene to get settled. Now I can walk in here. I can do anything I can do in the engine itself. Now I'm in the editor mode, and I can, for example, walk on this. Only a little bit because it's too high. This is an example of the soft shadows implementation we have. We have here some particle systems. We have steam particle system going from under the platform. We can see here the water implementation we have into the engine. I will hide all the avatars. Actually, this is one actor, water actor we implemented for this demo. The user can have its own water implementation or use this one. We have also all sorts of properties in this for this actor. I will show them a little bit later. I'm going to walk around a bit in here. These are the shadows, soft shadows implementation we are using. They are pretty good for what we need. I'm going to go and use the crane and interact with the crane. Also, I will show you the remote control when I'm in the crane. Now I'm in the crane. I can move the crane and try to pick some of the containers above. I can control the crane left and right, up and down. Now I touched the object with the magnet and now I can pick it up. I can leave the object if I press the Q button. Okay, while the crane is holding that container, I can show you the remote camera control. This controls remote cameras added into the scene, and this controls the view of the camera. This camera is looking at the back side of this scene. This camera is looking at the front side where I'm with the crane also. If I move the crane now, I can see in this view actually that the objects are moving exactly. This is a new render of the scene from another camera point of view. We can see the shadows and all of the other stuff are present in this view also. We can actually add at real time new cameras, new remote cameras, and cycle with the next button and see what and adjust each of those cameras. I'm going to exit the crane by pressing the E button. We can take a look and see that the crane is still in the position we left it. This is one special type of actor. It's the load map actor. This actor helps us to load another map when we reach an area. Now I'm in the load map area. I have a debug message telling me advance to enter into a new area. This will make the scene, it'll make the new scene loading. I will stop the running and show us the property bar. I can see here the map name. This is the name of the scene. This actor will trigger for loading when the player is touching the bounds of this actor. Also the water actor properties I was talking about. This is helping us adjusting the water properties in real time. We can give it any kind of color, any kind of nuance. Also, if we want to, I can animate this so we can see the water. Also, if we want to have higher waves, for example, we can have higher waves. Now we have waves of 1 meter, 3 meters, and so on. Now it's a real ocean with real waves. I think this is about it about this part of the presentation. And the next presentation I will be showing you the inside scene. Thank you.